Hello everybody, Trey Melcher again, General Manager here at Palm Harbor Homes in Conroe, and we're standing right now in the Evolution. This is a 5-bedroom home. It's got 2 living areas. This house here, you can see behind me, beautiful kitchen. You got the upgraded appliance package. Everybody, this is a triple wide, Palm Harbor triple wide, okay, 3-section home. It's got 3,100 square feet in it, all right? So it's perfect for a huge family. It's perfect for huge gatherings, and it's just got everything you could possibly ask for in a home. You got a media room in the back. They got a little game room set up. But we're trying to invite you to come see this home right here in Conroe, just north of the Woodlands. We're on the southbound feeder 45. Come see us. To see pictures of this home, you can visit us on the website at www.conroe.palmharbor.com. You can give us a call, set an appointment at 936-273-6565. We are open for business. Again, I'm Trey. You can ask for me, the general manager here. We got a very experienced veteran sales team here. Everybody can answer all your questions you have regarding this home and many others. We got single wides, double wides, and of course this gorgeous triple wide on this sales center. Come see us soon.